Okay, so hi dear Sagittarius, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal no contact reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 31st of March till the 6th of April. Roles can be reversed also, action can be from your side also, not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me, want to have personal reading or healing sessions? I said healing session, I was about to say healing session. The links are given below. And for the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. And self-love course is on the way. It's life-changing. It's going to make you feel like a rebirth. Let's start. Sagis, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Ta-da, let's see. We have the Queen of Swords, the Six of Pentacles, the Seven of Wands. This is someone who is feeling bitter towards the situation, right? It's like, I don't care. I'm telling you their feelings. They're in this energy of I don't care. This is highly imbalanced situation. No matter how hard I try this to make the situation work out, no matter how many times I want the situation to balance out, it never happens. It is never going to happen actually. So what's the use of even going in this direction? So somebody is coming from their head straight away, and they are not even trying to listen to their heart, and they are in this energy of completely closed off heart, and being on their practical side of I don't care. Yeah, straight away in this energy of if you are going to go in front of them, they might end up fighting with you like crazy, and that too in a very ugly manner, not like normal. So this is somebody who is feeling like no matter how hard they try to make things work out between you and them, this is never going to work out. This is a crappy situation, and they should just stay away from the situation. They should keep you blocked or keep themselves blocked from moving forward in this direction. Right now, they are in a very very uh, mm, crappy mood, crappy energy, and in this attitude of I don't care, don't give a shit. I know what I want, so don't touch me, don't tell me. Okay, angry. Maybe they're angry on themselves, not you, not the situation, but they're projecting all of this anger and frustration on this connection. Let's see what this person wants from you. And by these kind of feelings, I don't think anything. We have the Eight of Swords, Ten of Cups, the Seven of Cups. Told ya, this person don't know exactly what they want. All they know is somewhere in the middle of this chaos and conflict and overthinking and whatnot, they want happiness. Happiness like a family kind of dynamic, happiness like a happily ever after kind of a dynamic, happiness that is going to last longer, last for a lifetime. This is what they know. Apart from that, they don't know exactly what they want and how they want it, but they're telling everybody, I know what I want. I'm happy. For God's sakes, I'm happy. For God's sake, I'm happy. I don't think so. So, on a soul level, I can tell you that this person wants to come out of this emotional confusion. They want to come out of this trapped energy, and they want a happily ever after. But as a human, on a human level, this person don't know what they want. All they want is happiness, but they don't know how and from where and with whom. Hmm? So right now they're a mess. All they're looking forward to have is healing. All they're getting is trapped energies, because they're not allowing their heart to open up and to feel the feelings. That's why this person is kind of in a mess right now. Okay, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the what we have, honey, 6th of April. We have the Five of Cups and Five of Wands and the Ace of Wands. They might end up fighting with you, Sagittarius. They might end up fighting with you. I don't see any kind of loving, nurturing, or compassionate kind of energy coming towards you. Five of Cups and Five of Wands is a very, very ugly combination where where somebody is suffering, where somebody is kind of in a guilt or regret kind of energy, and they're very much in a rebellious energy of right now, defensive energy. Sorry, not rebellious. Rebellious is something different. Defensive energy right now, where they might come to the point of feeling like they should fight with you because you are the one to blame here, because whatever they are going through right now is something that you gave them, this pain, this disappointment, this feeling like a feeling like hell right now. All of this you gave them, so you are the one to blame here. So I don't see them taking any kind of good action towards you. Even if they are going to take any kind of action in this direction, they are going to end up fighting with you. But in this fighting, this is a cry for help, Sagittarius. This is not a cry to, you know, put anybody down or something. This person is going through a very messy, very strange time right now where they're continuously fighting with themselves, their own feelings, their own energies. Instead of healing it properly and releasing it properly, they're continuously living in some kind of low vibes, and they might end up blaming you for all this mess. Okay. For you, the Five of Swords, instead of playing the game with this person, instead of fighting with them and creating more mess in the situation, try to stay calm, try to stay away from the situation, from this person, at least for the time being, and try to not to make this whole situation a game of ego. Okay? Try to listen to your heart and try to be kind and compassionate towards this particular person or energy, and if not towards them, at least to yourself. So don't waste your precious time and energy and hurt yourself by the person that you know is a mess already. So try to send them love and compassion, right? Instead of, giving them more hard energies that they're all already dealing with. Yeah. I know they might have done something really wrong with you. I can understand that, Sagis. But for your own, peace of mind, for your own happiness, for your own sake, forgiveness is the only way that you can, you know, uh, that can help you to heal yourself properly and honestly from the deepest layers. So, yeah. So, thank you so much for tuning in, Sajis. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.